Hello everyone. So today I am here with a new current affair from 10th August of 2022. So here the topic is Sri Purushottam Rupala sir has launched the culinary coffee table book, that is Fish and Seafood, a collection of 75 gourmet recipes. In this particular video we will discuss about who is Sri Purushottam Rupala sir and all of the details of this particular topic one by one. Okay, so without wasting time, let's begin. Who is Sri Purushottam Rupala sir? He is the Union Minister of Fisheries and Animal Husbandry. He has launched a new unique coffee table book, that means such kind of books, okay, coffee table book just like a menu, cover page, titled Fish and Seafood, a collection of 75 gourmet recipes. Today means on 10th August of 2022. In an effort to boost the domestic consumption of fish and seafood, along with popularizing the local fish species, the Department of Fisheries under the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying has come up with this initiative. Okay, the book was launched in August in presence of both the Minister of States, Dr. L. Murugan and Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balyan of Ministry of Fisheries. Then Sri Jatindra Nath Swain is the Secretary, Sri Sagar Mehra, Joint Secretary of Inland Fisheries, then Sri J. Balaji, Joint Secretary of Marine Fisheries, other department official, PMC to PMMSY. So what is this too, we will also discuss. And special guest celebrity, Chief Sri Kunal Kanpur. So the coffee table book and its launch event are a part of ongoing celebration Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, that one you all of know. The recipe book is a highlight of the diversity of fish available within the domestic water bodies and the fish culinary heritage of the country that signifies the diverse cooking and eating styles across the country. So now coming to what is that PMMSY, here you can see Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampad Yojana that started in May 2020. This scheme started in May 2020. It's a part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat package with the highest ever investment of rupees 20,050 crores of has been invested in this particular Atmanirbhar Bharat package Yojana. That scheme is your PMMSY. What is that? Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampad Yojana, started in May 2020. Okay, this is very important. Other things may be story. The scheme being implemented over a period of 5 years from 2020-21 to 2025-24 to 25. Okay, so this particular PMMSY envisages to address critical gaps in fish production, productivity, quality, infusion of technology, traceability, post-harvest infrastructure, management to develop this sector holistically. Okay, these are different activities of this particular scheme. Through the coffee table book, the department, along with its aim to increase domestic fish consumption, this is important, and promote the fish protein for food and nutritional security, it also envisages to promote the local recipes and diversity of Indian fish gastronomy heritage. Here some important points are there. Here you can see Sri Mehra, Joint Secretary of Inland Fisheries, he has mentioned that through this PMMSY, Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampad Yojana, the department has been taking various strategic initiatives to increase the domestic fish consumption. Here you can see from 5 kg per capita to 12 kg per capita. They want to increase, doubling the export to rupees 1 lakh crore and increase the productivity from 3 tons per hectare to 5 tons per hectare. These are their aim. He motivated everyone to add fish in their diet as it is an affordable protein source and encouraged everyone to experiment the recipes featured in this particular book. Okay, so this is about all today's about the current affairs. So what you need to remember, the coffee book name and who has announced. Okay, then what is this PMMSY? Okay, everything you need to remember, and this portion you please remember, which may be important, 5 kg to 12 kg per capita, then doubling the export up to rupees 1 lakh crore and the productivity from 3 ton per hectare to 5 tons per hectare. This is much more important. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.